मुंबई के गोरेगांव स्थित बॉम्बे प्रदर्शनी केंद्र में दाऊदी बोहरा समुदाय के सैफी बुरहानी एक्सपो कंस्ट्रक्शन 360 का उद्घाटन महाराष्ट्र विधानसभा अध्यक्ष एवं कोलाबा के विधायक राहुल नार्वेकर जी ने करते हुए कहा। दाऊदी बोहरा समुदाय इस आयोजन के माध्यम से डेवलपर्स, निर्माताओं, सप्लायर्स और इनोवेटर्स को एक छत के नीचे लाकर कंस्ट्रक्शन और रियल एस्टेट इकोसिस्टम को मजबूत करने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाता है। बता दें कि सैफी बुरहानी एक्सपो कंस्ट्रक्शन 360 का ये 5वां एडिशन 3 दिनों तक चलेगा। देश और विदेश के 120 से ज़्यादा प्रदर्शकों ने नए उत्पाद के साथ हिस्सा लिया है। इस मौके पर उद्योग जगत के नामचीन लोग एवं दाऊदी बोहरा समुदाय से जुड़े लोगों ने इस प्रदर्शनी को लेकर क्या कहा, आइए सुनते हैं। बाइट।
चल रहा है कंस्ट्रक्शन 360 फिफ्थ एडिशन है, क्या मैसेज देना चाहिए?
पहले मैं आपको बोलूँगा कि ये सैफी बुरहानी का जो एक्सपो है 5th एडिशन, तो उनके लिए मैं धन्यवाद बोलूँगा, क्योंकि ये जो पर्टिकुलर फील्ड है कंस्ट्रक्शन, उसके ऊपर फोकस करके वो लोगों ने एक एक्सपो किया हुआ है। ऐसा है ना कि हम लोग विकसित भारत की जो बात कर रहे हैं 2047 की, तो उसमें सिटीज़ है, नगर है, वो बढ़ने वाली है। और अगर वो बढ़ रहे हैं तो विदाउट कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री कोई भी डेवलपमेंट पॉसिबल नहीं है। तो मैं हर बार बोलता हूँ, कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री इज़ द बेस फॉर द डेवलपमेंट। जो हम लोग डेवलपमेंट बोलते हैं, विकास बोलते हैं, उसके लिए बेस है। तो पहले, और इसमें मुझे बहुत एक ख़ास अच्छा लगा, वो बात ऐसी है कि ये लोग ने एक कॉन्फ्रेंस रखा हुआ है, और कॉन्फ्रेंस में वो लोग ज़्यादातर फोकस कैसे ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव करेंगे, कैसे सस्टेनेबल सोल्यूशन पे फोकस करेंगे, उस पर एक बात कर रहे हैं। तो केवल बिजनेस की बात न करते हुए कि एनवायरनमेंट को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट किया जाए, सस्टेनेबिलिटी पे कैसा फोकस किया जाए, उस पर जो डिस्कशन जो जारी है, तो उसमें क्या होगा कि इधर जो आने वाले जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, जो विजिटर्स हैं, तो एक तो बात तो डेफिनेटली एज अ ट्रेड शो बिजनेस तो होगा ही होगा, बट एट द सेम टाइम किधर तो एक अच्छा मैसेज जा रहा है कि कंस्ट्रक्शन डेवलपमेंट विथ नेसेसरी सस्टेनेबल सोल्यूशन, कुछ तो ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव, ये जो उनका जो है मुझे बहुत खास लगा। मैं उनके लिए बहुत ही ऑल द बेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ, और ऐसे शो नेक्स्ट ईयर आने वाले फ्यूचर में विथ एडिशनल आइडियाज़ के साथ उनको लेना आना चाहिए। दिस इज़ व्हाट मैं शॉर्ट में उनको कहूँगा।
सर, मुंबई में कुछ स्लम पैकेट्स ऐसे हैं जिसके डेवलप को लेकर काफ़ी समस्याएं उत्पन्न हो रही हैं। अभी जैसे धारावी का है, भिंडी बाज़ार की चर्चा चल रही है यहाँ पे, तो इसके बारे में क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहिए?
देखो, बात ऐसी है ना कि कोई भी जो प्रॉब्लम्स है तो उसके लिए ज़रूर सॉल्यूशंस है, ओनली हमें कुछ तो थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ बॉक्स सोचना चाहिए, ऐसा है ना। कि पहले जैसा ना कि फाइनली जो लोग रहते हैं, जो गरीब लोग हैं, तो उन पे तो ज़रूर हमको फोकस करना चाहिए, उनके लिए सब सुविधा देना चाहिए। तो क्या हो सकता है, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि हम लोग अगर कुछ एफएसआई की बात करें, जो बोला ना, बट वो एफएसआई की बात करते समय ये भी देखना चाहिए कि किधर सिटी को हार्म न हो जाए, उसको जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि उसका जो कैपेसिटी है उसको जिधर ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब न की जाए। बट ऐसा अगर कुछ डेवलपमेंट प्लान प्रॉपरली किया जाए और ऐसा छोटा सा जैसे बोलते हैं ना हम लोग फोकस एरिया करके उसमें अगर किया जाए और उसको धारावी रीडेवलपमेंट पूरा, अगर उस मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, उस पर अगर फोकस करके अगर हम लोग सही तरह से उसको डेवलप करेंगे तो ये पॉसिबल है। मैं ओनली थिंग इज़ व्हाट मैंने जैसे पहले ही बोला, थोड़ा सा आउट ऑफ बॉक्स थिंकिंग ज़रूरी है। अदरवाइज़ हम लोग अगर पुराने तरीके से अगर करना जाएंगे तो वो नहीं होगा। बट एट द सेम टाइम वो करते समय ये भी हमें देखना है कि नहीं तो कंस्ट्रक्शन पूरा डेवलपमेंट हो जाएगा और किधर जो सिटी का जो जैसे बोलते हैं ना पर्यावरण है, एनवायरनमेंट है, उसकी जो हेल्थ है उसको किधर इफेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, उसको हम लोग को ध्यान रखें। थैंक यू।
Sir, you can state your name and give us a brief about the exhibition.
My name is Atif Shakir. I'm part of the team who do Expo. The first Expo we did 20 years ago in Colaba Trade Center. This is our 7th Expo. We did one 3 months ago in Nairobi, and so far the expos that we have done are for different products. Now, first time this expo has a central theme of construction. So construction and construction related products. The Dawoodi Bohra community, as most of people are aware, that we are dealing in hardware products. So we were traders. Slowly we are moving into manufacturing and becoming builders. And sustainability, buildings in construction, the attention we are paying is sustainability. It involves solar panels in the buildings, water reharvesting, and garbage disposal. Now, our community is very much involved in the business with all other communities, in Maharashtra especially. So this expo, we have invited non-Bohra, we are Bohras, we have invited a lot of non-Bohras in this expo. So to communicate with them and explain to them what our programs are. And thankfully, this is the first day, and we have good results. A lot of non-community members have visited us, and their feedback is very good. They all like what they see. And we thank the Maharashtra, especially Mumbai Commissioner, who has helped us also. So, thanks again.
Thank you. Thank you.
State your name and organization.
Yeah. Good. Sit.
Hi, this is Murtaza Jasdanwala from the Economic Development Department of the Dawoodi Bohra Community Affairs. We are doing this event the Saifi Burhani Expo Construction 360 this year in Bombay. The whole theme behind doing this event this year in Bombay is the rising opportunity in the construction industry, especially in Maharashtra, and the number of businessmen being manufacturers, traders, professionals in the form of architects, interior designers, builders, contractors from within our community. So we, the Department of the Economic Development Affairs, found it a very good opportunity to do this event in Bombay this year, looking at the opportunity Bombay has to offer, and we as a community hold so many good players in this segment of the economy which could add value. Creating this platform, the expo, the intention behind doing the event was basically providing an opportunity to the community members to gain access to all the relevant builders, contractors, people from who are outside the community doing a very good job in the construction industry. So this platform has been created to merge both parts of the industry, people from within the community and outside the community. We are also taking this opportunity to talk about what are the latest sustainable ways of doing construction, what is the latest technology that can be used in doing construction and development, what are the safety norms and what safety obligations need to be followed in the construction right now. We've got around 50 plus prominent speakers from the construction industry speaking at our event. We started the Saifi Burhani Expo around 5 years ago. We started small with around 50 brands. Today, in 5 years, through the Saifi Burhani Expo platform, we've touched to almost around 500 businesses of the community, and we are growing every year. We also take this opportunity to display what the community has to offer in terms of how to do sustainable construction, what are the new techniques in terms of modular construction that the community members can use in their construction sites, and what are the latest technologies also our community members can access. So earlier, the intention in the event was to bring all the community members and give them access to what we as a department have to offer. But now the brand has grown. We've come to notice that there are a lot of outside players who are well versed, well connected with the community at large, and all want to do business. So this is the right platform, this is the right opportunity, and this is the right way maybe to connect everybody in the industry at a single event. We look forward to doing many more events like these. Earlier done one in Pune, looking forward to do maybe now even outside India. And with every event, we are trying to grow in numbers and trying to bring in new technologies, trying to showcase what is new in the market. And we as a community, our community businessmen, manufacturers, dealers, distributors, where do we stand and how do we contribute to the society? That is the whole intention behind doing the event. Thank you.
I'm Abizar Patanwala, Group CFO of Dawat-e Hadia and CFO of SBUT, Saifi Burhani Upliftment Trust, which is one of its kind project not only in Mumbai, not only in Maharashtra, but in India. This project was a vision given by our 52nd Dail Mutlaq Sayyidina Muhammad Burhanuddin and being executed by his worthy successor, the 53rd Dail Mutlaq Sayyidina Ali Qadar Mufaddal Saifuddin. As you would have heard, this project has 9 sectors and 2 sectors have already been completed. Many sectors are underway right now, Sector 4, Sector 5, Sector 6, Sector 7, Sector 9. So many projects are undergoing simultaneously. Other than SBUT, we also have projects pan-India. We have a project going on in Panchgani, we have a project going on in Burhanpur, we have a project going on in Galiakot, and many other projects. This expo has been very beneficial to SBUT from many perspectives. First and foremost, this platform brings us close to our sources of supply. So it basically helps us smoothen the supply chain management, where we come across many vendors who are probably not so prominent, who do not have a big brand, but they have a good product to offer. Other than that, we have to also understand. Also is one of its kind, an exemplary project in sustainable development. The rehab buildings that we have created for the original residents of Bhendi Bazaar, these rehab buildings have the solar panels, STP sewage treatment plants, organic waste management, enough of light so that the consumption of electricity is reduced, and so on and so forth. In fact, we have got many accolades from the Green Tribunal of India. So when we come here, or when we come to this expo, it also helps us to explore new technologies which probably we are not even aware of. Like I was just at one stall where they are showcasing an AI-based helmet. So my team can go to the project wearing this helmet, take pictures, and then come back and report on the exact status of a particular room, particular apartment that they have visited. So this is like a great new insight which we would have missed completely if we had not come to this expo. And I'm sure that during this next 2 days of this expo, as we visit different exhibitors, different vendors who are here present in this expo, we are going to meet many such innovative businessmen, innovators who will give us a lot of new insights, a lot of new techniques to better manage the project in SBUT and elsewhere in India. Thank you very much.